Ever spilled crumbs on your couch and dreaded cleaning? Or found pet hair everywhere, car seats, carpets, even your bed? I used to grab a bulky vacuum for every tiny mess. Dragging cords, finding outlets, it was a hassle. And don't get me started on cleaning car interiors, those tight spaces between seats, impossible. But then I found the black+decker dustbuster Advanced Clean. This little handheld vacuum changed my cleaning routine. First, it's cordless. No more tangled cords or searching for plugs. It's super lightweight, easy to carry anywhere. I use it in my living room, kitchen, and even my car. The 16V Max lithium-ion battery packs a serious punch. Suction is strong enough for dirt, debris, and stubborn pet hair. My favorite feature, the rotating slim nozzle. It rotates 180 degrees to reach awkward corners. No more struggling to clean between couch cushions. There's also a pull-out crevice tool for tight spots. I use it for shelves, windowsills, and car cup holders. The flip-up brush is perfect for dusting upholstery. I can switch from carpet to furniture in seconds. Cyclonic action keeps suction strong even with lots of debris. The Easy View dirt bowl lets you see when it's full. Emptying it is simple. Just pop it open, no mess. Both the dirt bowl and filter are washable. I just rinse them in the sink and they're good as new. No more buying replacement bags or filters. The compact design means it fits in small storage spaces. I keep mine in the kitchen cabinet for quick grab and go. It's also great for car owners like me. Quickly clean up snack crumbs and pet fur from the back seat. No need to visit the car wash for every little mess. Pet owners, this is a game changer. It picks up fur from couches and pet beds effortlessly. Even high-traffic areas stay cleaner with daily touch-ups. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use. I can clean the whole house without hand fatigue. It's quiet too, no loud vacuum noise. Great for early morning or late night cleaning. Let me show you how easy it is to use. Watch as I clean these cookie crumbs off the sofa. Just a few passes, and it's spotless. Now let's tackle the car interior. The crevice tool gets between seats, no more hidden dirt. Flip up the brush for dashboard dusting. Everything looks fresh in minutes. Here's the dirt bowl. See how much it picked up? Open, empty, rinse, done. So easy. No touching the mess, no complicated steps. It's always ready for quick cleanups. No more excuses for messy spaces. Perfect for families, pet owners, and busy professionals. If you want a cleaner home without the hassle, this black+decker dustbuster is a must-have. It's portable, powerful, and incredibly versatile. From carpets to cars, it handles it all. No more dragging out heavy vacuums for small messes. No more ignoring pet hair on the couch. No more crumbs hiding in hard-to-reach places. Cleaning is finally quick and stress-free. I honestly can't imagine life without it now. If you're tired of everyday messes piling up, give this handheld vacuum a try. It's the little helper you never knew you needed, ready to make cleaning easier and faster. Check out the black+decker dustbuster Advanced Clean. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Trust me, your home and your car will thank you. Grab yours today and say goodbye to everyday messes. Happy cleaning! See you next time with more smart home tips.